If you ever come across someone who's been stabbed, knowing what to do in those first moments can be the difference between life and death. First things first, check the scene. Make sure it's safe for you to help. If there's still a threat around, don't go in. Call 000 and let emergency services handle it. If you know it's safe, again, call 000 or ask someone nearby to call. Be clear about the situation. Say there's a stab wound, where you are, and how the person's doing. If the knife or object is still in the body, don't pull it out. It might be helping slow the bleeding. Removing it could make things much worse. Instead, remove any clothing covering the wound and then apply pressure around the object. You can also use bandages or clothing to pad around the object and help hold it steady. If the object has already fallen out, apply firm, direct pressure on the wound using a clean cloth, bandage, or even a shirt if that's all you have. If the blood soaks through, don't remove the cloth. Just add more layers on top to keep the pressure going. Have the person lie down and keep them still. Cover them with a jacket or blanket to keep them warm and prevent shock. Keep an eye on their breathing and level of consciousness. If they become unresponsive and stop breathing normally, be ready to start CPR. Remember, don't remove the object, control the bleeding, and keep them calm until help arrives. You don't need to be a hero, just someone who knows what to do. If you found this helpful, give it a share and consider learning first aid properly. It could save a life.